Hi everyone, my name is Paige Jatovka. I'm an international board certified lactation consultant working with JANZ Medical Supply. I'm really excited to share some news with you. So I want to preface this by saying this is one of the biggest reasons I really like JANZ, is how well that they listen to what moms want and need, and this is just another beautiful example. So if you have been following me on our Ramstein page, you might have come to the conclusion that I'm really big into inclusive flange sizing. We all have very different size nipples, and that's okay. But when we are pumping, our flanges need to reflect what size our nipples are. It's not a one size fit all situation. And it has a huge impact about how much milk we express at the pump, especially if we are a regularly pumping mom. So I'm really big into making sure that moms have the things that they need that fits their body. I'm a big advocate for we make the products fit us. We don't try to fit ourselves to a product. So that very much goes hand in hand with pumping. And I do want to share 90% of moms are not a size 24 millimeter nipple, and that's what comes with a kit. So most moms are significantly smaller than what comes in the kit. And I will say, in 7 years, I've never not once seen a nipple that was the size of a 27 or 28 flange. So a few months ago, I made a video about how to size your nipples using the JANZ nipple roller. It has very inclusive sizing to help you figure out which size is best for you, whether you are a 10 or a 24. It has you covered from everything you need. So with that said, let me show you why I'm excited today. It's these guys right here. So these are those inclusive sizing. This one's a 19, this one's a 17, then we have 15, and we have 13. Those are the hard shelled flanges that JANZ is now carrying, which is amazing. We also have inserts here that can go inside of your pumps. So if you are using something like a wearable pump, like a LV or a Willow, or maybe you're using a hands-free pumping cup, you can still get those inclusive sizings. I think these ones go down all the way to 15. So no matter what size your nipple is, JANZ has you covered, and we can even give you tools to help you figure it out for yourself. And I will say most moms that I come across don't know what their true flange size is or their true nipple size. So we can help you with these handouts, and we can help you get the ones that you need, whether you are stateside or overseas, because we know when we're trying to get, when a mom is pumping and it hurts, she can't really wait 2 weeks for Amazon to ship. So this is so nice that now we have this whenever you need it. So I encourage you, if you're a mom, you just gave birth and you're about to come in for your resupply items, please use your nipple ruler first, figure out what size is best for you, and then when you come in, let us know what size you want your flanges, because you do get a set of flanges covered in your resupply items, and I really want them to be the right size for you. All right, guys, that's my spiel for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.